coming.
My little excavators. Oh, my little excavators. My archaeologists. You all are going to be archaeologists today. Okay. Now listen me out carefully. Okay.
There's the next connecting for you.
Everybody, listen me out carefully. All of you are carrying your frozen items with you, right? All of you are carrying your frozen items with you? Yeah. Okay. All right. Now what you need to do is keep your phone far away from you. Keep your laptops, any devices far away from you. All you need to do is just hear me. Okay? Ranveer, you don't have to touch your laptop. Just leave it the way it is. Done. Move back. Vihan, don't do that right now. Vihan, wait. You have to follow instructions, please. Okay? Everybody, Subhan, move back. Take your entire kit.
Very far from this side.
Okay? I want you to get a big plate. Can you get a big plate? Go to your Vihan. Yeah, Ranveer has a big plate. Very good. Now, keep that block of ice or the little ice tray that you have or the cube in which you have frozen something. Keep it on the plate.
मैम उल्टा करके
Nahi. Ranveer, you have something in an orange bowl. Keep that entire orange bowl on the plate. See like how I have
like
kept
this.
it. See how I have kept it. I have a big plate. I have kept my items on the plate.
It's starting to melt.
Yes, it will
Starting
start
to
to
melt.
melt. Yes, it will. All of you are carrying your towels with you. You all have a towel with you.
Yeah.
Yeah? In a real excavation, we will not be using a towel, you know. But because you all have your electronic items in front of you, we need to use a towel. Just to make sure that the water doesn't get near your item. Okay? All right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what I first need you to do is, Pranav, I see you have put it in little cups. These are breakable cups, right? कि ये plastic cup है.
Ma'am, it is.
Pranav, repeat what you said. I didn't hear. It is
Ma'am,
plastic.
it is not of plastic.
It is not of plastic. No, I clearly said to put it in a plastic item. Why did you not put it in plastic? You won't be able to excavate it because that cup will break. Because it is not plastic, that cup will break.
Ma'am, already only it is break.
It is already breaked, or is it already broken?
Break.
Broken.
Not broken.
Correct. Yes, Tanishka, what do you want to say?
My cup. It is new one.
Why have you got these new cups? Were you supposed to freeze them in these cups?
Yes.
Have you
I will
frozen?
remove that ice from that all. Removal.
Tanishka, listen to me. उसके अंदर आइस जमा है क्या?
Yes.
अब तुम इसको तोड़ोगी तो खराब नहीं हो जाएगा?
I will remove the ice out.
How will you remove the ice out? You cannot. You have
Can
to
I show
excavate
you?
it. Show me, Baba.
Melting.
It's melting? Okay. If it's melting, keep away from your phone. Keep a towel over here. So anytime you want to wipe, you can quickly wipe your hands. Okay? Keep it tucked into your clothes if you need
Mom,
to.
see the ice.
Tanishka, keep it on a plate. Look at this. Keep it on a plate. Keep it on a plate.
I found my crayon.
Why are you running with it, Vihan? Vihan, if you are going to do it ahead of us, then I will call you the teacher in the class and then you can tell us how to do it. Vihan, please wait. And we will do it along with everyone.
I found my crayon.
Vihan, can you please wait? Vihan, can you please wait? I know everyone's excited, but please wait.
I put mute.
Okay? Now everybody,
Yes, ma'am.
listen to me now. Okay? Ranveer, can you just do it upside down and see if it will come out like this? Can you just do it upside down and see if it will come out like this? Yeah? Leave that
Yes,
orange
ma'am.
bowl away. Yeah? Leave the orange bowl away. See, I wanted you to wait for 5 minutes so it will automatically melt. All right? Now, what I have over here is I have frozen water and mud together. Okay? So, I have two items here. I froze water and mud together. Okay? What did I do? I mixed mud in it. So it gives the effect of real excavation. Now what I want you to do, listen to me. Listen to me. Subhan, please listen. Okay? Okay, can you listen? Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah? Now, I would say, do you all have a hammer with you? Yesterday I told you all to carry a hammer with you. Do you have a hammer?
Yeah.
Yes? You have a hammer? Okay, Tanishka just joined in. Okay. Now, with a hammer, see, I didn't have a hammer, so I got a plier with me. I didn't have a hammer, so I got something hard that can do the cracking work. Okay? So, I am going to, Vihan, if you hammer it like that, your excavation will be thoroughly spoiled. Vihan, if you're going to hammer it like that, whatever you're looking to excavate will get damaged. Whatever you're looking to excavate will get damaged. So we have to go gently. I'm going to lightly go tapping on it. I'm going to tap on it gently. Okay? I'm going to tap on it gently to see if it will open up. Tap on it gently. Don't break it up. Tap on it gently so it will crack slightly along the sides and it can come up. See, my mud is coming off. See, I'm using a brush. My mud is coming off gently.
Ma'am.
So you excavated your point.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which one is can take off a nib or a coin or ma'am, my nib.
You can take out whichever you want. Gently look to excavate. Gently look to excavate. You are not supposed to damage the item. Look, I'm gently looking to excavate. Gently excavate. Do it slowly.
Where's my hammer? Ma'am,
Now what?
Ma'am, my nib came out.
It came out? You excavated it? Wow. I'm still waiting for my items to come out. I'm trying to see what are there in this organization. I'm still looking to excavate from my, but I don't know what is looking to come out.
To you. Where's
Oh,
my
I need to use a brush to gently open this up.
my nib also came out.
Yeah, it's
See,
come out.
my nib come out.
Your nib has come out. Wow. Keep it on the side. We have to label it. Nice. You got a badam. Oh, who's got a badam there? Gently, gently. Kids, do it very gentle, otherwise you will damage the item. Vihan, you have to go very gentle. Else you won't be able to excavate. Whatever you're trying to take out, it will all just come off.
Ma'am, when I'm hitting it, it's going round and round.
Yeah, that's because you have pure ice.
Ma'am, it's flying over me.
Relax, relax. Don't damage things around. You are excavating. Ranveer, what you're doing is wrong. Don't do that. Ranveer, Ranveer, that's not how I taught you to do it. You're not supposed to put cloth on top of it. Ranveer, you're supposed to do it gently. Hold it with one hand. Now try to gently excavate. See, excavation is not so easy. You're supposed to do it gently. If you're going to slam it, like Vihan, I think you're just enjoying slamming it. You're not excavating, you're actually damaging it. उसके नीचे से जो है ना वो टूट के निकलेगा बाहर.
I got a coin.
I think I have found something. Ranveer, go gentle.
Coin came out.
What came out? What? One.
See my coin came out.
What was that?
Coin.
Wow.
See my favorite cup.
Oh, big ice pieces are
My
coming
God.
out.
Ranveer, you're not supposed to break it. You're supposed to excavate. What you're doing is breaking it. Ranveer, use the fork that you have there.
Come on.
What
Come
did
on.
you
I
find?
found.
Ma'am, can I get a spare hand towel?
Yes, please keep that wet hand towel away from your device. Keep the wet hand towel away from your electronic device.
Oh, I got an.
Wow, Vihan, I can see that you got something. I am still excavating. My items are deep inside. My items here are deep inside. I'm still excavating. Wow,
Ma'am, I got a
look what
coin
I
and a
have got.
badam.
I am also gonna take it. Nice.
Look what I have got. I think I've got some utensil from an excavation. Guys, listen. Look what I found. It is still inside. I'm trying to take it out. This looks like a vessel from a Harappan civilization. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Ranveer, you are still hitting it very hard. Ranveer, you are not supposed to hit it. You are supposed to gently scrub it out. Slowly.
Ma'am, mine is not breaking then.
You are not supposed to break it. Guys, you are not supposed to break it. If you break it, you are not excavating.
Got, ma'am, I got on my knee my coin and I want to remove my color.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I got one.
Good. See, I have found a vessel. Everybody listen to me. Look, I found a vessel here. And I am gently trying to take it out without breaking the ice. Ranveer, you're still breaking the ice and you're not following instructions. You're supposed to scrub it out slowly, not hit it and break it.
Ma'am, I have only spoon and a fork to use. That's why I need something else.
No,
I need
you don't
something
need
like a
anything else.
screwdriver.
You have the perfect item. Just use the fork and gently scrub it near it. Gently use the
Ma'am,
fork
it is
and
not
gently scrub.
removing.
It will come.
Old coin from Harappan civilization.
Did you find? Wow, Subhan, that's awesome. Oh my God, preserve it. We are going to label it now. My vessels from the Harappan civilization are not coming out at all. They're still stuck inside.
Ma'am, so like this I have to do?
Go slow, Ranveer. You have have the
I can't
entire
do that,
history
ma'am.
lecture to excavate. We have the entire history lecture to excavate. So,
Oh.
go slow, everyone. If you break it, you cannot preserve it.
Ma'am, you can see me.
And my thing is going round.
Kavina, ma'am.
Yes.
You can see me.
Yes, yes. Tanishka, don't hammer it. Tanishka, don't hammer it. तनिष्का प्रेम से एकदम धीरे धीरे, उसको फोड़ना नहीं है, उसको धीरे धीरे निकालना है.
I have got one gold coin, one stone, and one lead.
Wow, Pranav, Subhan, awesome. See, I am still looking to excavate. You guys are looking to break it and take it out. Don't break it. Look, everyone, look at what Subhan has got. Wow.
Ma'am, there is nothing else inside my eyes.
So then I think you're done excavating.
And 2 leads and 1 crayon, and this is my eyes.
Wow.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's awesome.
I'm doing it. My color is not removing.
Tanishka, be gentle. You cannot break the ice. You break the ice, you lose points.
I will keep it.
You cannot
Now.
break the ice. You have to gently excavate it.
Yes, ma'am. I have not break the. Can I show you my
I can
eyes?
see what you're doing. I can totally see what you're doing. My eyes are on you. Ranveer, you're again putting another towel on top of it. And I told you to keep the towel
ma'am.
away.
No, ma'am,
See,
it
ma'am, I have
is
not
flying.
broken my eyes. It is like this
Those
only.
water is flying. That's why I'm just.
Covered all 4 things. I have gone to Ice Age and I have discovered many things.
Nice, nice. Very good. Guys, go slow. Go slow. You cannot hammer it and break it. You're excavating. Remember, if people, archaeologists who excavate, listen. Archaeologists who excavate, if they hammer things, we wouldn't be able to learn anything about our past civilization. Remember that. So think that you're in Harappa.
What is this?
Think that you are in Ice Age.
So I will take this and I will discover about it.
Yes, Subhan, I'm waiting for you to discover it. Yes. See, I am also trying to discover this vessel, but it is not coming out. But I have to go patiently.
Many eyes.
Ranveer, you're still slamming it. See, when you're excavating, your hands and everything gets so dirty.
Oh my God, good. This is not removing.
It is not supposed to come out easily, Tanishka. Again, I'm telling you, the objective is not कि उसको फोड़ के निकाले बाहर. The objective is कि धीरे धीरे करके उसको निकाले. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Look what I am doing. Look. I have been struggling with this vessel for the last 20 minutes, but that doesn't mean I'm going to hammer that ice and take it out. What if there are other things around it which will get damaged? I'm supposed to go slow. Yes.
My all eyes are
Ready to my next eyes. Now I'm going.
Whoa, wow.
eyes are
Yeah.
My God, Tanishka is wearing some serious glasses and all. What, Pranav?
all eyes are broken.
All your eyes is broken. Did you excavate? Who is that? Who is talking there? Is someone talking in your background? Or are any of you talking to me?
Oh, ma'am, I have folks ka nishan in the eyes.
Ranveer, again I'm telling you that the way you're doing is wrong. You're just not listening. I'm telling you not to hammer it like that. I'm telling you to
Ma'am,
go
then should
gently.
I do it like this?
Exactly. We are not looking to break the ice. You're looking to excavate something from the ice. Have you excavated your items?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
I have got
No, ma'am.
gold and 1 coin of silver and 2 lids, and I have got 1 crystal also.
My God, you got
Nice.
crystal. You got crystal.
See, 1 piece of crystal. Ma'am, can I keep this? Can I keep this? Let me.
Ma'am, I took out the badam.
Wow, please don't eat it up. Please don't eat it.
Yeah.
It is thousands of
See.
years old. It is 1,000 years old. Please don't eat it. No matter how tempting they look, don't put it on yourself. Okay?
Oh no, water fall down. What should I do now?
Can I keep this?
Yeah.
Pranav,
Can I keep this?
have you finished
Mama,
your
Can I
excavation?
keep this?
Have you finished your excavation, Pranav?
My all eyes are broken.
Why have you broken your eyes? Ranveer, stop that, Baba.
Ma'am, see,
Yes.
1 piece of crystal. My all eyes melt also.
One eye
Ma'am,
melted
but
also. Oh,
that
God.
thing is not coming out, so I'm taking out the ice from that place. That's why.
Ranveer, you're not supposed to hit it and break it. Go gently. That's the only way you must do it. Look how long I'm struggling with this tiny little vessel here. That's what you need to do.
Ah.
Pranav, what all had you put into that excavation and what all did you excavate?
Ma'am, I have put coin, crayon, and lid.
Have you got all of it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is out?
Yes.
Did you break the ice and take it out?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is all. Ma'am, it is all.
Pranav, did you break the ice and take it out?
No.
But you just told me that all your ice is broken.
Ma'am, first I remove all, ma'am. Then I was removing, ma'am, last one, ma'am. So, ma'am, the plate fell down. Ma'am, all I broke.
Okay. Ranveer,
Ma'am, it is
gentle.
water. Ma'am, can I throw?
Yes, you can, Pranav. Yes, you can. You all must see how much time it actually takes to excavate. Look at my vessel from the Harappan civilization. It's not coming out at all.
Finish my thing. Yeah.
Oh, I think I have some animal bones here. Kids, I have some animal bones here.
Oh.
Check out. Look
I
at
got
that.
some gold.
Ayo, look at Tanishka.
Kids, look at. Listen,
It's some treasure now.
Tanishka.
I have put some salt in ice because it will not melt
You're right.
if we put salt.
See, I have some animal bone here. Do you want me to excavate it?
Yes, yes.
Animal bones here. Oh wow, I'm so thrilled to see this animal bone here.
I have get one only animal bone and 1 gold, silver. Silver. I have got silver coin.
Vihan, where are you?
Ice
Vihan, where are you?
crystals.
Vihan, where are you? Subhan, have you preserved everything that you took out from your excavation?
Yes, ma'am. Now I am discovering some ice crystals.
You're discovering ice crystals. My God. Wow.
Finish my work, ma'am.
That's what, ma'am, even I was doing. I was taking out some ice. I can make something with it.
Ranveer, put some salt on ice. It will not melt.
Okay, I will put.
Okay, I will put.
Okay, I'm just going to leave that that part because it's not activating soon. I'm going to go back to my animal bones or some human bones. I don't know what.
Ice crystals are looking like I can sell it in crores.
Wow, look what's coming out
Subhan.
of this. Look what's coming out of this. Looks like some animal or some human. Just check this out.
Subhan.
I put salt.
Subhan. I put salt in my eyes. Now what should I do?
Nothing, you just keep it.
After some,
It will not melt.
I have gotten sweet thing to eat. Why you
Listen,
are
guys,
laughing?
this is how you excavate. This is how the entire civilization of Indus Valley was excavated. That's why we are doing this, so you understand what is the meaning of excavation. You all were
Ma'am,
confused,
look.
huh?
The
Excavation
chilka only came out. Chilka came out of the badam.
Good.
And
Don't eat
badam
it up.
also like this.
Preserve it in
One.
whatever way you've got it. Please don't eat it up. It's thousands of years old.
I got a 2 rupee coin.
I also got 2 rupee coin of so many years old.
How many years old, Anishka? What is that?
I can.
I got a
You know-
silver coin which is so many years old. You know?
I can. Kanishka. I can buy 2 chewing gums from the 2 rupee coin.
Arey, don't take it because it's good.
Vihan, see what is coming out of my excavation. This looks like an animal body. See this. Look what's coming out of my excavation. Look what's coming out.
Ma'am,
Ah.
has anything come out from yours?
No, Baba, I'm not looking to break anything. No. I'm looking to gently excavate. So it will not come out so soon. You all have just slammed it with a hammer. You were supposed to gently tap it with a hammer. तुम लोग तो उसको फोड़ते गए. Obviously the ice will break. You're not supposed to break the ice. You're supposed to chisel it gradually and open it up.
I can 1 minute. I'm seeing. Am I any from the 3 eyes? One also eyes is not broken. I will show you in fast after your book.
By the time you show me your ice would have melted.
Ma'am,
Who is
I
that?
can sell this
No. To Subhan,
piece.
he has said to put salt on it. I have put salt and it will not melt. I'm right. You know, I have got 1 gulab jamun also in that.
Tanishka,
It's
come on.
1,000. Yes, ma'am. I have got a
Tanishka,
2 rupees
please.
coin.
Tanishka, we are talking about excavation. Please don't tell me you got gulab jamun in that, please.
Okay.
Ma'am, see behind it.
Can you see a little bone here?
Yes.
Y'all can see. Wait, I'll just wash it up. Y'all can see? There. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. It is white color.
Yeah. That is excavating.
Ma'am,
Ah,
listen. No,
what?
I can sell this crystals in crore rupees.
Oh, yeah. Please. Yeah. You can
Ma'am,
definitely sell
again.
it in crores of rupees.
Again.
Sorry.
I'll sell my 2 rupee coin for 100,000 rupees.
Yeah, sure. Why not? You should be able to find out the value of that coin today and then sell it.
Ma'am, sell my badam for 40,000 rupees.
Relax, guys. You all are going overboard. See?
Because we have 2 rupees
Now,
coin at
now, what I want you all to do is, for our next class, for our next history class,
Ah.
you are going to fill a cup, a plastic cup, okay? Maybe a Coke bottle or something that you can cut into half. Fill it with mud, okay?
Yes.
With
Please
mud.
send your homework on WhatsApp, please.
Vihan, पहले सुन तो लो. पहले सुन तो लो. I send it every day on WhatsApp. पहले सुन तो लो. Okay. You will fill one entire plastic cup with mud. Okay. Deep inside the mud, you're going to stick up things like a coin, a 1 rupee
Now tell
coin.
Papa.
Ranveer, please listen. A 1 rupee coin and maybe some very old piece of cloth. Okay. And fill that cup completely with mud. See the way I did it. I took one cup like this. I filled it with mud all the way till here. Okay. Then I put things inside and I dug them deep. Then I filled water in it until the brim and I put it into the freezer. Okay. So what it did, it gave me real excavation things like this. This looks like a little mountain that we are excavating, right? Okay.
Yes.
Right?
yes.
This is what we are going to do. Listen, listen, listen. Listen, Subhan, you must really listen when someone's talking. Okay? And then in the next history class, we are going to take out that particular mud piece and gently look to excavate it. You're going to keep something sharp like this with you. A flat screwdriver will be the best option. You must keep with you a brush. I have got a butter brush with me, a baking brush, but you can also keep your regular painting brush with you. Okay? A brush and a spoon and a fork. Okay? Now when you're going to gently excavate it the way I'm doing here.
Even I got a butter brush.
Okay?
Sorry, butter knife.
Then when you're going to gently excavate it, you will understand how difficult it is. So you will really appreciate all the names that are written on page number 22 of your history textbook for grade 6, which has the names of the people who excavated the entire civilization. They found that out just before our independence time. See, can you all see the, can you see the bones? Can you see the bones?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to wash it up. See, can you see the whole bone? See, there are bones here. There are bones
Ma'am,
here.
is that a real bone?
I don't know. I have to excavate it to find out. No. See, there are bones here also. I don't know if it's animal or human. See, can you see this white?
Yes, ma'am. It looks like some bull cow mouth.
Bull's mouth. Wow. See?
Wow, a bull now.
See? Do you see the bones here?
Humans bones.
I don't know if it is human or no. I'm going to excavate it. And then I'm going to give it to the forensic department. The archaeological department. Ranveer, you're still hitting it too hard. Ranveer, you're still hitting it too hard. Okay? I'm going to give it to the archaeological department where they will do some testing on the bones to find out how old these bones are. Then they will find out if these bones belong to humans or animals or insects or worms. Then they will find out how old these bones are. Wow! I'm really getting a very good one. See this, see this.
Whoa.
Can you see that? See that?
I can't see a screen, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Huh?
I can't see a screen.
Oh, it must be network at your place, baby. It must be the network at your place. I want to excavate this entire item and show it to you today. You will then understand how excavation was done by so many people and how they found out how people lived in those years. See?
Ma'am, they
See
would
this
take
thing
100
excavated
years.
completely? Do you see this thing?
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Can you see this thing over here? See, I have excavated something, completely taken it out of the mud. Do you see that? Do you see this item here? I'm yet to find out what it is. It looks like a little animal here to me. See? Are you able to see it?
Ma'am, can I show you something on an excavate book? I found an excavate book yesterday. It's at my home. Can I show you something?
Yes, you can. Did I hear someone say they wanted to go to the washroom?
Am I?
Go quickly and come back. I want you to see it when I excavate it. Come back quick.
What? What happened? I want to see your mom.
Bihan, where are you? See what is
Ma'am,
coming
I
out
want
of
to
my
see your
excavation. Who wants to see what? What, Subhan?
Ma'am, look at this. I wanted to show you a thing in the book.
Ranveer, please wait. Let me just finish this and then we'll come to your book. Ranveer, please wait. I want you all to sit back and see how I'm taking this out. I want you all to sit back and see how I'm taking this out. Please wait. Wow, I have found something really huge. Do you all see? Are you all seeing? Ranveer, please sit down. See, Tanishka, this is what I was telling you. You have to go this slow. You all simply hit it and broke it off. If that is what you're going to do, the archaeological department will tell you tata bye-bye. You're breaking actual ancient items, tata bye-bye.
See,
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I want to see your bone.
I'm trying to take it out. It's not so easy. मैं एक हथौड़े से मारूंगी तो पूरा बोन टूट जाएगा, पता भी नहीं चलेगा वो क्या है.
Oh, no, don't do that.
Yeah, so I'm going very slow and gentle. See how slow you have to be to take it out. Look how much mud has been there. Look how much mud has been there. I have to go so slow.
Yes, I can see.
Now, in our next history class, you are actually going to fill up a cup of mud and go gently and show me how you are going to excavate. Hey, I think it's a cow. Yeah, I think it's a cow.
Ma'am, dinosaur bones. Look.
Ranveer, I said please wait until we come to your book. Didn't I say that? Please wait. Yeah, I think this is a cow, guys. Look, I can see a little tail. See, I can see a little tail. I think this is a cow.
Ma'am, of course, I know it will not be a cow because we have done this experiment at home and we must have put something from home only into it.
No, Ranveer, this is a cow. Can you wait and watch?
Ah, I broke the ice.
Look how the mud is falling off.
Ma'am, you can hear me, you can see me.
Yes, I can.
You can see me, ma'am, because I can't see anybody.
That must be a network issue, Tanishka. I can totally see
Yes,
you.
ma'am, network issue. But I can see your mud. You're doing like this. Slowly.
Very
Vihan
slowly.
is
You have to
typing.
go very slow. That's why I kept telling you all right at the start, and I was getting upset that you all are simply hammering it. If you hammer it, the archaeological department will say bye bye. You don't have to work in my department anymore. You're destroying ancient history. Vihan, look what I found. Vihan, look what I'm excavating. Vihan, look what I'm excavating. I actually found something.
Yes,
I mean, it's looking like really a cow.
Oops, oops, oops. Wow. Wow,
is it?
see that? See that? Do you see this? I really have to go slow, guys. I cannot go fast. You have to give me that much time and patience.
Yes, ma'am, I'm giving you patience. I have brought something. It is so flat. See, ma'am,
It
Yeah.
is a
What is that, Tanishka?
it's eyes.
Wow.
Oh no, it's so. See, ma'am, I have put my finger like this. It broken. That's it.
Ma'am, look at this.
Wow!
Vihan, do you see what is happening? Look,
Yes,
there's an animal coming out of the excavation.
animals gone.
We have found an animal in our excavation. Look at that.
Look.
There's an animal on one side and there is some vessel on this side. Some ancient vessel looks like. See this? Do you see this ancient vessel? You see this? Do you see this ancient vessel? Let me see what's inside this. There is something here. Oh, wow! I found something different here.
What is that?
Just trying to see what is that.
Ma'am, I see I have got. See, ma'am. See, ma'am, what I have got like bone.
What is that, Tanishka?
I broke it, ma'am. Okay, I will show you another bone.
Tanishka, I
It's
don't
low.
understand what you're telling me.
Ma'am, it's eyes, flat eyes,
Oh, okay.
like a mirror.
Okay.
Ma'am, look
Oh,
at this.
And see
Vihan, it
that.
is
I
See,
taking
got
really
this
long to
ice.
excavate this, huh? I wonder how they did the entire civilization. How
you
did
can see this.
Where? Yeah, I can see that, Tanishka. That's just a piece of ice.
Yes.
Oh,
Ma'am, this also. Piece of ice.
yes. Keep it away from your devices. Let it not fall on the device. Be careful. The last thing you want is water or anything dirty that falls on your device. Pranav, now do you understand why I was telling you go slow and don't just break it so fast? Yes, Pranav, do you understand?
Because we
I'm
we
making
have to
a pointed shape of that eyes and see how I make.
Tanishka, we are not playing with ice. We are excavating. There's something around here which is very sharp and I can't figure out what that is. See? Do you see? I've got
Ma'am,
something
you have
here.
the. Ma'am,
Yes.
you have that same, almost the same brush from which people found out dinosaurs' bones.
Yeah, you need to use these kind of brush when you're excavating so you can gently take off the mud from top. Because if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to find out what was there. Vihan, do you see this? Vihan, we are in history class. What are you reading?
A book.
Why are you reading a book right now when we are looking to excavate? Vihan, why are you reading a book right now when we are looking to excavate?
I'm mute.
That's not fair. That's not nice. I asked you a question. You put yourself on mute. Matlab kya? I asked you a question. You're supposed to answer it. I didn't say don't read a book. I asked you, why are you reading a book when we are excavating? Oh, guys, this is really taking long. Isn't it? This is really taking long. Wow. Wow, I can see some green grass here. Shall I do something?
Ma'am, look at Subhan.
Shall I wash it and come? Yeah? Maybe it will
Yes,
look
ma'am.
cleaner. Give me 2 minutes, okay? I'll just wash it and come. It might look cleaner.
So I have my things, older things. All right for me. My water. My niece is melting. Slowly, it is started melting. It was so big. But
Oh, wow. Look what it is. Can you see it now?
wow! What is it, ma'am?
Ma'am, it looks like a lid of a bottle.
What?
Looks like a lid of a bottle.
This, no? Yeah, this looks like the lid of something. No, but I think it is a vessel. I can't separate it.
Ma'am, there is an animal elephant.
Elephant? No, this actually looks like a cow to me. It is white. Okay. But it has no head here. It has no head here. I think it must have broken or it must have gone off.
Ma'am, you broke it.
Okay, the vessel came out. Look at that. Look at that. I got the vessel. Look.
Ah.
This looks cool, no? See this?
See my.
Ma'am, you broke the elephant's head.
It is not an elephant.
No,
It's
no.
a cow, I guess.
See,
It's not
ma'am.
an elephant. It's a cow. And I haven't broken it. It was already broken. It is a very clean space. It was already broken. Maybe the years of erosion on the soil has just softened it.
Ma'am, see my nip.
Guys, do you remember in your history textbook when you looked at the citadel and when you looked at the Great Cannery? It didn't have a top. It only had the base. Remember? Go and think. Quickly open your history textbook. Quickly open your history textbook. Quickly open your history textbook.
Page number, ma'am.
You should tell me which page number it is, but then yes, page number 22. Open your history textbook.
Yes. Lesson number 2. Valley civilization.
Page number
Yes,
22.
ma'am.
Yeah?
The citadel.
Now, when you look at the citadel, how does it look? It looks kind of ruined, nahin? Matlab, it doesn't look like it was entirely the way that we saw it in the video we saw last time, no? Yes or no? Does it look similar?
Yes.
Okay. Or does it look a little broken up when you see it in your book?
No, ma'am, it looks like broken from middle.
Right. But when you saw it in your video, it was an entire thing, right?
Yes.
Now look at the Great Bath. How was it when you saw it in the video?
Clean and nice made.
How is
No
it in your
cracks,
Yes, ma'am.
book?
nothing.
What you see it in your book is
Cracks.
how they found it when they excavated. Excavation में
Right.
क्या हुआ? Pranav, can you tell me what did you do today when you're doing excavation? What happened?
Rocket.
Who is Pranav?
What?
Tanishka या Pranav?
No.
I asked a question to Pranav. Pranav, today when you were excavating, what did you actually do? Explain to me what all you did.
We have said that from
Pranav, Vihan, what is that? Yeah, I only want Pranav to answer. Pranav, today when you were excavating, what all did you do? Tell me. Let's talk. Today when you were excavating,
Ma'am, we do that from the Harappan civilization. Ma'am, that coin, crayon, and pencil lead. Ma'am, we remove that.
you removed that.
Ma'am, from thousands or millions here, ma'am, from there. So we remove now.
So from thousands of years ago, you removed it from the ice. Okay. But what was the meaning of actually, why did we actually do this? Do you know? हमने आज ये excavation का काम क्यों किया? तुम्हें पता है?
Ma'am, because of to understand us.
To understand. Okay. Subhan, what do you have to say about it? Why did we do this excavation today?
Ma'am, because to let us know how they explore things from mountains and soil and fossils, fuel, like this.
Fossils, soil, how did they find out? Correct. Ranveer, what is your answer to this? Why did we do this excavation act today?
So we can understand what is excavation.
Okay, fine. Tanishka, what about you? Why do you think we did excavation today?
To fossils, we remove fossils. It was so old.
It was so old. So why did we do it in class today?
To understand us, that how they remove it.
How they removed it. Vihan, what do you have to say about it? Why did we do this excavation today? Vihan, I asked you a question. Put that Wimpy Kid book aside and answer me in history. Why did we do excavation today?
I think that we can do. I found a crayon.
You did that, but why did we do it? What did you learn when you did that?
I don't know.
Come on, you know it. What did you learn when you did that? Vihan, I'm asking you something. You put that book aside. This is history class. What did we do by doing this excavation? What did you learn?
We do excavation happens in Indus Valley civilization.
In Indus Valley civilization, any civilization, there will be excavation. But why did we do this in class today? Vihan, are you going to come back and answer? Would you like to do that?
Yep.
Why did we do it is my question to you, and I am yet to hear an answer from you.
I think as the thing that we do in history class are correct. We do excavation. I don't know the answer.
Okay, fine. We did excavation today because thousands of years ago, people lived in the Harappan and Indus Valley civilization. Okay, thousands of years ago. According to your textbook, how many thousands of years is it written? Tanishka, please leave that specs aside. Yeah. Tanishka, I'm asking you a question to go through your textbook and tell me what is written. How many years ago was the Indus Valley civilization found? 1 minute. Oh, y'all are on mute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Rihan, I want you to have the textbook in your hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's written 4,500.
4,500 years ago. My God, thousands of years ago. Now tell me, जहाँ पे हम अभी रहते हैं, wherever we are living in a house right now. Subhan, where are you? Pranav, where are you?
Ma'am, it's 4,100.
Okay.
And another is,
तनिष्का, हमने वो क्वेश्चन कर लिया, उसका आंसर भी हो गया. Okay.
and
Now-
ma'am, another is also 1,951.
Now, if we left some item, suppose you took a flower pot, okay, and you left it in your balcony for a few days, what will happen to it?
It will get stink.
It will stink.
No.
Sorry, what did you say, Ranveer?
Dry.
It will get dry.
Yes.
Would you say that it will fill dust on top of it?
Yes.
Yes, and it will get loose.
Pranav, will
The
dust
natural
fill up on
dust.
top of it? If I left a flower pot in the balcony for a few days, will it have dust on top of it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, if I left it for a few months, what will happen?
And it will dry and it will
It will dry and get so much loose, and it will get some powder.
The plant will dry and the mud will start getting powdery because it doesn't have water. Now, suppose I left it for a few years. Suppose I left it just like that over there for 3 to 4 years. What will happen?
it will be died. The plant will be died.
The plant is dead long back. The plant is already dead long back in a few months. But if I left that over there in the same place for for tens of years, say for 8, 9, 10 years, what will happen?
The mud will be stick to the pot.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know.
What will happen? Yes, Ranveer?
Ma'am, the thing will happen is that if you leave it there, layers will start forming on it, and then you have to again start digging it and then take it out.
Exactly. What will happen is, for years, if you leave something in one place, mud and dust will start filling it up. After a few years, you will not even know that it was there. Now imagine that for hundreds of years, you left that flower pot in that balcony and forgot about it. What will happen?
It will start breaking up.
It will get buried under soil. It will just be left alone over there. It will start getting buried under soil. Yes or no?
Yes, it will.
Subhan, what do you say will happen?
Yes, it will. My answer is also yes, it will.
Subhan, why is your screen frozen again? Subhan, are you there?
Yes.
So why aren't you answering the question?
What, ma'am? Ma'am, it will bury under soil.
And now if you left it there for thousands of years, Pranav, what will happen?
Ma'am, soil will.
Are you Pranav, Subhan?
Pot.
Pranav, what will happen if you left it there for thousands of years?
The mud will be stick to the pot, and the pot will blast. So it will.
Will it become something like this with mud stuck on it?
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
For thousands of years, if we left things around, will it be like this with mud stuck on top of it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can still find something in that.
Yes, I can find something in this. I am still looking. See, can you find something here?
Yes, ma'am. If something looks like
Yes, I
chapati ka
found.
piece.
I can still find something over here. I am really excavating today. I have become an archaeologist today. Okay. Now, this is what had happened to the Indus Valley civilization. That those things finished and stayed there for thousands of years. And because they stayed there for thousands of years, mud, stones, and layers of dust accumulated on top of it, and they all went deep under earth. Then came our archaeologists. What do? They dig deep into soil to find out what is there inside the soil. When they started digging like us today, they found that there was a cow over there, there were some vessels over there, there was a fork over there. Look at that. That's a fork that's coming out. That's a spoon or a fork that's coming out. Then, like you guys, they also found colors, they found coins, they found so many things that were there under the soil. Now, that is what happens when you excavate a civilization thousands of years ago.
Yes, ma'am. That old spoon.
That is what they have found in the Indus Valley civilization. Now, do you understand why it is important for us to know what happened thousands of years ago?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav,
So we
did you
understand the culture.
You understand the
Exactly.
culture. You're correct. Absolutely right. You understand the culture that they lived in. You understand
What
the
they
lifestyle that they lived in. Yes, Tanishka, you're saying something.
what they take effects and hardness to do it slowly, and how many times they do. Next class I will also do with you, so slowly.
See, now you understood why it was necessary to do it slowly.
Yes.
Otherwise, there's no fun in doing it.
Exactly. If you have to
But
excavate, you have to
I'm not
be gentle
worried
and
about it
slow.
because
If you're going to just slam it and hit it and break it up, you wouldn't find a citadel, you wouldn't find the great cannery, you wouldn't find the great bath, you will ruin it further. तुम उसको और तोड़ देते, वो ऑलरेडी टूटा हुआ है, तुम उसको और तोड़ देते.
Ma'am, can I show you the book thing
Yes,
which I
Ranveer,
was
now I
telling?
want to see your book. Yes, show me your book, Ranveer. Everybody, let's see what Ranveer is looking to show. Yes, Ranveer, show in the book.
Ma'am, look, they are excavating the dinosaur bones.
Ranveer, it is upside down. You'll have to turn the book so we can see it.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, turn the book. Wow, you got a beautiful book. How life began. Oh, yes, look at that. Look at that. They have excavated it under the mountain and they have found a dinosaur bone just the way it died. वो जैसे मर गया वो वैसे ही लेटा हुआ है and they have excavated that entire body. See that? See that?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka, can you see this entire thing here?
Yes, ma'am. I have activated screen tabs.
So,
Yes, yes, we saw
I'll show
that.
you one more better thing.
Okay, show us. We are waiting. I think this will be the last
In
part
which-
of our class for today.
In which, yeah, look.
Oh, wow. This is a very interesting picture. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ranveer, hold
Look,
it high. Hold it
here.
high. Yes, explain, please.
Wait.
Yes.
Look, here a dinosaur dies. This is the dinosaur which ate it and it left it inside the water. Then it became, the bones came up. It formed more layers over here and a megalodon came. Then after megalodon died, it formed layer on this dinosaur over here where it bones will of course break up because it's dead for like thousands of years. Then again dolphins and all of them come. That layer finished. Over here if you see there is a mammal buried in ice. Okay,
Yes,
and
yes,
if
we
you
can
see
see
this
that.
dinosaur over here, it has
Yes.
formed so many layers.
Yes, wow.
Where it was over here, it has formed so many layers till here. And now if you see over here, This dinosaur is here. Now people over here are finding out the dinosaur how it was before.
Wow. So actually from the top here, they started to excavate and come all the way down until this brown layer of sand where they could finally see the dinosaur. That's a very interesting information. Very nice.
The dinosaur, they took the bones and they made the dinosaur and they checked it how it was.
That's good. Very nice. Very nice. That's interesting. Did you all understand what was explained? Now, did you understand they had to go so many meters deep into the soil to excavate? Did you realize that?
I didn't understand.
Sorry, Pranav, what did you say?
Because of network problem, I didn't understand. Ma'am, I logged out by 2 times, ma'am.
Arre Baba. Don't worry, I have recorded this session. I will send it to you. But then
Should I
you
show it
can watch
again then?
later.
I have it with me, the page.
Okay, Ranveer, we will send a photograph of it later to everyone to understand that part of it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Send that picture. That's a very interesting picture. It will be very nice for us to see that entire fact that at this level the dinosaur died and then how thousands of years the layers kept forming. Ranveer, go back to that earlier page. Ranveer, please go back to the earlier page. Pranav can quickly see it now.
Ma'am, no, I can't see that my network is finished, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav, you can come to me that you can see it.
Ma'am, I can't see
I
anyone.
found the page. I found
I'm
the page.
Okay, Pranav, come to me. I will show you that. I can see everybody.
How
And ma'am,
sweet. How sweet. There's so much help and love going on in the class. That's so nice.
Go, Pranav, go fast, Tanishka. Okay, look.
Wait. He's going to Tanishka's
Why
place.
did
Wait.
Pranav go to Tanishka?
Because
Till then, can
Tanishka
I
has
show you
network.
something else?
No, Ranveer, wait. Let's not move away from the topic. Keep here on the topic. Let's be there.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vihan.
why did Pranav came to Tanishka's?
Because she has network and he can see the book from her place.
Yep, he came.
Ranveer, I would really appreciate that you explain it once again. You did a very good job of explaining it. Subhan, please sit straight and watch it.
Okay, Pranav,
Subhan,
can you
please
see?
sit straight.
Pranav, can you see? Can you see, Pranav?
Yes.
1 minute, Pranav, gone. Yeah, he's back. See. Yeah, sit, Pranav. I can sit on this now. Yeah. I didn't know. Okay, sit.
Okay, so if you look at this block, you see there's a dinosaur over here.
Sure.
Okay, and you see a dinosaur dead inside here.
Yes.
Okay, so this dinosaur's bones are over here, and if you see, look, there's a dinosaur dead here. You saw over here it's bones. Now the next layer is formed here. This dinosaur is a dead dinosaur. Formed 2-3 layers on it. And look, this is a megalodon. Okay, it is known as the best killer in the ocean, but now it's extinct. If you see, if you go to the next layer over here, you can see this megalodon's layer is fully dead. Means this megalodon died 100,000 years ago. Over here you see nowadays dolphins and sharks. Now you move to the next layer. On this layer, if you see a mammal over here and a buried mammal in ice, and you see that dinosaur which was dead, it's over here. Look how many layers are formed on it.
It's so much layers.
Now the land is slowly finishing. Okay, and there's another again. that same dinosaur from so many years. It is over here, and if you see, there are people seeing the dinosaur and they are excavating the dinosaur. If you see,
Run that we can't zoom. You can send the photo that we can zoom it and see it.
Definitely, I will
Properly.
arrange for him to send the photo. Don't worry.
look, look.
Yes, the car is there and they are doing that work. Yes, we can see it now.
Guys,
Yes.
I too finished my excavation. See what I found. Look at that. See, I found a fork piece. See, I found a piece of fork. Wow. And see, I excavated the entire animal. See, I excavated that animal. Its head is not there. Its head is not there, but I excavated the entire animal. See that? See that?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, this was some experience. And I excavated this as well.
What's that?
It is a fork. It's a fork. It's a wooden fork.
It's dinosaur.
What's that?
It is
It's a
broken.
wooden
It is
fork.
broken.
It's a broken wooden fork. In those days, they did not have metal maybe, so they made this from tree barks. See, it's a broken wooden fork. See?
Yes.
See? And that's a small little dish. And that's a little animal. Wow, that's cute. Cool. So how was excavation class today?
A lot
I
fun.
enjoyed it.
Now also, mom.
What?
Ma'am, can I show you something else of volcano?
Not now, Ranveer. We will not do volcano in history class. If you have something for volcano, we will do it in the geography class. Not now.
Okay, so this is also about excavation only.
Okay, Ranveer. Okay, all right. Okay, so with that, we finish our excavation class today for history. Okay. In the next class, do you all want to excavate out of mud?
Yes.
I will
Pranav,
do
you
it
want
slow.
to?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what you're going to do. In a plastic or any other material mug. Don't use something that is breakable. Okay. Use a plastic mug. That will be the safe thing for you to do, especially when you have to do an excavation experiment. Okay. This is a simple plastic. If you have a Coke bottle or any old bottle, then cut it into half. Wait, Tanishka, please take your hands away from the screen. Cut it into half. Fill it with mud. Fill it with mud. Okay. Then put some things inside that you feel you want to excavate.
Ma'am, how we can put, ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, how we can put?
How you can
Arey,
put
but-
mud? Just take it from any flower pot that you have outside your house.
Ma'am, but mud put, ma'am, then how we can put that, ma'am?
Other things. Okay, listen. Depends upon how you want to do it. Put one item right at the bottom. On top of that, you fill half cup mud. Okay.
Yes.
Then you put another item in the middle. Then on top of that, you fill another layer of mud. Or you can put an entire cup of mud, put some things into it, and just dig it inside. Then you fill it up with water all the way till the top and put it into your freezer. Okay. Do this one day before your history class. Then when you're going to come for your history class, take this out, leave it out for 10 minutes. So it will automatically start melting. So when you do it upside down, you simply pour into a plate. Okay. Then you want to excavate, do it gently. You're going to hammer it, nothing will come out well. Okay.
Mom, you will also do it now?
I will do it with you. Yeah, I will do this whole thing once again. No problem. Okay. Done? Shall we close class for today then?
Ma'am, life skills.
We will do it on another day. It's time up today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine? Okay?
Ma'am, my net is going.
Okay, fine. The class is also closing. Chalo, bye-bye.
Ma'am, life skill class.
Not happening today because our explanation took too long.
Okay, ma'am.
See you.
Bye.
I enjoy our history class so much today, and I understand all things.
Thank you so much, Tanishka. I'm glad you enjoyed.
Younger city school, they don't teach like this. They really take a book and round to us and just tell with us speaking.
Okay, fine. Here, we will learn the way that you would like to learn it, okay?
Cute baby.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Tata.
Flank is there.